Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do reverse flower dip with paper napkin again, but on round canvas board. So I will just pour some base coat. I have mix of titanium white and my pouring medium. If you want to see how I mix my paints, you can see it in video number 208. Paints are same consistency for a background and paints that I layer them for a flower, kind of. I think this is important, so that's why I tell this now and then, because I get these questions that I already answered, I don't know, 100 times probably. So for those of you who already know, okay, but for those who don't know yet, I will just pop up some air bubbles, because I shake my bottle and I have a lot of air bubbles. And obviously my torch will need some attention. So I will start with transparent color Windsor blue this time, and I hope that I will be able to do a better shape this time because of the round canvas. Okay. I don't know if the shape is okay. We will see. And next is my pearl white. I show how I mix it in this video too, so you will check, you will find a mixture of this pearl white too. Just have to add a little more blue here, I think. And this one I believe is Quinacridone violet. I don't know if permanent or opaque. It's transparent or opaque. I will check, because I don't have written down on my bottle. And some cardinal red. And I will add more of this pearl white. And some more of this Windsor blue here in between where it already was, so And now I will spray my napkin with water. This is the question that I get often too, so I spray just with water to damp it a little bit. And let's place it down. Just a second. I want to have this in the middle, kind of, if I can. And now I will just tap this in this kind of circle movement. I just feel that I have a lot of paint here, but now it is what it is. This is a 20 centimeter round canvas. Just try to lift these sides a little bit more. Oops, oops. Let's lift it. Yay. I like it. It's beautiful on the round canvas. What do you think? I think that I have to add a little my white paint here. Do this. And now I will torch it a little bit and take you for a close-up. If my torch will work at all. It's almost empty, so this lacing and cells will develop without a torch too, just if you wait a second or just try to stretch it a little bit to bring some more interest out. And now I will leave it because I like it. It's gentle and I just like it. So for if you use this pearl paints, you have to add transparent Raiko color near televizija. So this is the close-up. I just love this lacing. What do you think? I think it's beautiful, and this Windsor blue is gorgeous too, so it's a snowflake in here. I think that this will be nice one. Maybe I shouldn't have added the second layer of pearl white, but it's so delicate and beautiful. So tell me what you think about it. Subscribe if you didn't yet and you hear my Nera barking. Tell me in the comments, share on your social medias if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one. Bye.